Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the short hair filter trend on TikTok. So for that you need a third party app called CapCut. So go to your app store or Play Store and download this app, and once you download, what you can do, you can simply visit my profile. I have a playlist here, CapCut template. You can go there, and the first one, it's short hair. Okay, are many other template also, you can look for them. Then turn on this video. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there, CapCut try this template. You just have to tap there. Okay, you will be directed to this page. Now you have to tap on use template in CapCut. Okay, you will be directed to CapCut, this page. Now tap on use template. Okay, now browse a picture from your camera roll. Okay, let's go with this one, long hair. Hit next. Wait for it. Okay, and done. You got the short hair. Now you can hit on export and you can share it to TikTok. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the template like this. Okay, go to CapCut. You will see CapCut like this. Now on the bottom of the screen you will see template. Tap there. Okay, you will see a template. Now on the top of the screen you have a search bar. You can search for short hair filter effect. Okay, here you will see many templates. You have to repeat the steps, and that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this short hair filter trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.